Hi guys, again welcome to our channel Get Fully. This time I am here with a drilling machine which is Bosch professional drilling machine. The model number is GSB16RE, which is an impact drill and which is 750 watts. And here some features and all provided, and this is the outer side of the box. You can see it, and here you can see the price tag is 7,640, but I got it for nearly 5,000 rupees. Please guys, while choosing this device from Amazon, you can check it with the wholesale dealer. Comparatively, a slightly price difference can be see in the online market, I mean distributor. And here some features and all provided. The input power is 750 watts. The chuck system is keyed, and the speed is 0 to 3020 rpm, and the chuck size is normally 1.5 to 13 mm, and the masonry drill bit can be put it in 16 mm, and the impact rate is 48,500 bpm. And let's unbox it. And this is the device. This is just a catalog, and this is Bosch Professional 16RE, and this is the handle, and this is the measuring scale, and here one service center catalog and all provided. Let's come to the device, and this is the machine. This is a Bosch Professional GSB16RE heavy duty. We can see this is the 16 mm chuck here, and this is the switch for hammering. You can on off the hammering mode here, and this is the forward and backward direction of the chuck. And here is the key, and here you can adjust the rotation rpm, I mean speed. And here they provided the chuck key. You can see that chuck key. The quality is superb, and this wire can be extended up to 1 meter nearly. And this is the machine. You can see purely here, and this is a fresh piece, and which is made in Malaysia, not in India. And this is one of the perfect drilling machine. And that's it. I will come here with another video, working video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe. Please subscribe and like, comment, share and support our channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.